Mkum Chu YouTube script, how to make money with AI in 2025. Channel AI Productivity Lab, length 7 minutes, target business owners, managers, professionals, Lanos hook, first 30 seconds, high energy, direct to camera. I was managing 3 supermarket locations last year, juggling inventory, staffing, customer complaints, pure chaos. Then I discovered something that cut my admin work by 60% and actually started generating revenue. And here's the crazy part. I wasn't a tech person. If you're leaving money on the table in 2025 by not using AI, you're literally paying the price of ignorance. Today, I'm showing you the exact methods that turned AI from a productivity tool into a revenue stream. Pause 2 seconds. Intro. Channel introduction under 15 seconds. Hey, welcome back to AI Productivity Lab. I'm your name. And for the last year, I've been documenting how real businesses, not just startups, are actually making money with AI. No hype, no get rich quick nonsense. Just practical strategies that work. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now. We drop AI strategy videos every week. Gesture to subscribe button. Dasa Lasher, main content. Core value, 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Transition. But wait, let me be clear about something. When I say make money with AI, I don't mean you need to code, launch a startup, or quit your job. I'm talking about 5 proven ways real professionals are cashing in right now. Let's break them down. Point 1, AI-powered service delivery 045. Lean in, slightly conversational. Method 1, offer AI-enhanced services clients already want. When I was managing the supermarket, we had a huge problem. Customers wanted personalized promotions, but manually segmenting 10,000 clients was impossible. So I used AI to automate it. Here's what happened. We generated $15,000 in additional revenue that month just from targeted offers. Now imagine if you're a consultant, marketer, or coach, you can use ChatGPT to write personalized client reports, save 8 hours a week, use AI design tools like Midjourney to create custom graphics, charge extra for design services. Use voice AI to create podcast intros and outros for clients. The secret? You're not selling AI services. You're selling faster delivery, better results, and custom work. Clients don't care what tool you use, they care about outcomes. Here's the money move. Charge 30% more for premium data-driven deliverables that are powered by AI. Your margin expands instantly. Pattern interrupt. But here's where most people mess up. Point 2, content creation at scale 130. Method 2, create more content, sell more products. This one's huge for e-commerce coaches and anyone with digital products. In 2024, I helped a friend scale her online course using AI. Instead of her creating one course, she built 7 specialized tracks using ChatGPT for script writing and course outlines, AI voice tools, 11 Labs Descript for video narration, AI editing tools, Opus Clip Runway for video production result. She went from 3K month in course sales to 12K month, same person, more products. AI did 70% of the heavy lifting. The economics are wild. You used to need a whole team to create 4 courses a year. With AI, one person can create 12 plus courses per year. Each course brings 105K monthly recurring revenue. The play, you don't need a huge audience. You need consistent content. AI makes consistency possible without burning out. Whether you're selling digital products, coaching services, or a membership, more content, more revenue. Pause, look directly at camera. And actually, this brings me to something a lot of people miss. Point 3, consulting plus AI audits, 215. Method 3, Become the person who installs AI in other businesses. This is what I'm doing now, and it's incredibly lucrative. Here's the reality: every business owner is terrified of AI. They think it's too complicated, so they do nothing. Meanwhile, their competitors are racing ahead. This creates an opportunity for you. You don't need a fancy degree, you just need one, real experience using 3 to 4 AI tools: ChatGPT, Zapier, Canva, whatever. 2, case studies from your own business or past work. 3, a simple framework: audit, recommend, train, implement. What does this look like in money terms? Initial AI audit for a small business, $500, 3-4 hours of work. Monthly retainer to manage their AI setup, $1,500, $5,000. Training their team on tools, $2,000, $3,000 per session. I charged a local restaurant group $2,000 to show them how AI could automate their inventory ordering. Took me 6 hours. They're saving $3,000 a month. Now they want a retainer. The secret sauce: you're not selling AI expertise. You're selling confidence. You're solving their fear and confusion. That's incredibly valuable. Lean back slightly. Now, if you're thinking, I don't have any business experience, don't worry. Point 4 is perfect for you. Point 4, freelance AI-powered skills, 330. Method 4, high-paying freelance roles using AI. This is the easiest entry point. You don't need your own business. You just need the right skills, plus AI. These are growing like crazy on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. AI prompt engineer, 50, 150 hour. Basically, you get good at asking ChatGPT and other tools the right questions. Companies pay for people who know how to get the best output. AI content specialist, 60 to 200 hour. You use AI to create content, blogs, videos, social media, then edit and refine it. Takes 5 hours of AI work plus 1 hour of human refinement. Charge like it took 10 hours. AI virtual assistant, 20 to 60 hour. You manage clients' administrative work using AI tools. What used to take 40 hours, saw week takes 15 hours. That's insanely profitable. AI course creator, flat rates of $1,500 to $5,000 per course outline plus content draft using AI. Real example, a friend of mine transcribes podcasts into blog posts using Whisper AI plus ChatGPT. Takes her 1.5 hours per episode. She charges $150. That's 100-hour profit. The path: month 1, learn 3 AI tools deeply. Month 2, build 3 portfolio pieces, even if free initially. Month 3, start bidding on contracts. Month 4, lock in 3-5 month in recurring clients. Seriously, people are hiring for these roles constantly. Gesture with both hands. But there's one more method that's probably the most passive. Das point 5, AI products and passive revenue, then 445. Method 5, build and sell AI-powered products. This one takes more setup, but the upside is huge. Here's what's actually selling in 2025. Prompt libraries, pre-built ChatGPT prompts organized by use case, marketing, sales, HR, etc. Sell on GUMROAD for $27.97. Takes 20 hours to build, sells for years. AI tools. Compilations, curated lists of the best AI tools for specific niches. AI for teachers, AI for freelancers, etc. Sell for $37 or $157. One person sold a AI for e-commerce guide and made $18K in 3 months. Templates and workflows. Pre-built Zapier workflows, ChatGPT templates, Notion dashboards. People buy these because they save them 15-20 hours of setup. Price $47 to $97. AI training courses. This is the big one. Create a course teaching others one specific AI skill. Sell it on Teachable, GUMROAD, or your own site. Price $97,497. Some people sell one course and make $50K a year passively. Real world number: a marketer I know created a course called ChatGPT for sales teams in 30 days. She sold it to 847 people at $147. Revenue $124,509. Now she makes 8 to 12K monthly on that single product. The beautiful part, passive income. She records a training video once. It sells 100 times without her doing anything. How to get started? Pick one AI tool you know inside out. Create a simple 3 to 4 hour course teaching others. Launch it to your email list or small audience. Sell 10 copies at 97 ounce, sir, 970, more than most people make in a week. The barrier to entry is low, the profit is high. Pause. Pause. Recap. Quick summary, 30 seconds. Hold up fingers. Here's your roadmap to making money with AI in 2025. 1. Offer AI enhanced services. Charge 30% more. 2. Create content at scale. More products are more revenue. 3. Become an AI consultant for local businesses. 2 to 5K per project. 4. Freelance your AI skills. 200 hour immediately. 5. Build passive income with products and courses. The common thread, you don't need to be a programmer, you just need experience using 2-3 AI tools and the willingness to package that into something people will pay for. La CT call I to action, sharp 45 seconds. Direct to camera, authentic tone. Here's what I want you to do. First, drop a comment below telling me which method resonates most with you. Are you interested in consulting, freelancing, building a course? Your comment helps me create videos you actually want to watch. Second, if you found this useful, smash that like button. Seriously, the YouTube